Bradford White gives you more than one way to get the job done. Alongside our trusted wall-hung boiler, we now offer a floor model, combining high efficiency with the proven performance professionals rely on. This design allows for faster, easier installations, while retaining all the powerful features and reliability you've come to expect from Bradford White. Simple to install, easy to service, and built to help you generate higher profits and increase sales. And most importantly, your customers get the highest quality boiler on the market. How? Bradford White is one of the largest boiler manufacturers in the US, maintaining a reputation for quality for over 75 years. The Bradford White Brute FT boiler is an ENERGY STAR product, rated among the highest in efficiency by the US government. Now, there are two styles of heat exchangers, water tube and fire tube. Many competitors using a water tube heat exchanger have disclaimers that if the system's water is not properly treated, may void their warranty, as water tube heating systems can get clogged over time. Bradford White Boilers uses a fire tube design, which means that your heating system's water goes around large passages and is not prone to clogging up. Bradford White gives you a full 10-year warranty. With the Bradford White Floor Boiler, no special piping is required. You can simply remove the old cast iron boiler and replace it with Bradford White Floor Boiler, saving time and labor. The larger cabinet design also means easier service access. All major components are forward-facing, making maintenance quicker and simpler. And with the Combi version, there's no three-way valve. That means your customers can enjoy domestic hot water and heating your home at the same time, without compromise. Check out our domestic water heat exchanger. Once again, the competitors have chosen a less expensive way to build their boilers by using a brazed plate heat exchanger. Yes, they are very efficient, but those tight passages can easily get clogged, reducing the amount of hot water. Bradford White uses an old-fashioned shell and tube heat exchanger, constructed with a 1/2-inch stainless steel coil. And since the shell of the heat exchanger is always hot, you quickly get hot water at the faucets. At Wraith Associates, we offer a complete solution that starts with training. Our 6-hour hands-on class will teach you everything you need to know about installing and troubleshooting the Bradford White Brute FT boiler. Our trainer, Ken Resnick, has been nominated 8 times as award-winning instructor. The Bradford White Pro Advantage. Once you are a Bradford White Pro contractor, you have access to parts 7 days a week, the best warranty program, 5 years on all parts, and 10 years on the heat exchanger. And should any of the parts need replacing, we have a hassle-free tier labor reimbursement program for Bradford White Pro contractors. Our custom dealer sales program, which allows you to close more jobs and enjoy higher profits. And best of all, a manufacturer that has your back. Now you can get the best built boiler along with the Bradford White Pro Advantage, all for the best price on the market. Our custom video presentation explains to your customer how high-efficiency boilers work and sets a high bar for your competition to beat, enabling you to close more sales and make more profits, along with custom marketing materials. At Wraith Associates, we offer a complete solution that starts with training. At Wraith Associates, we'll help make all this happen. If this sounds interesting, give us a call and ask for Anne-Marie at 631-822-1200 or email makemoremoney@wraithassoc.com.